Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about my 7 income streams at 20 years old. So this video was inspired by my friend C-Rich. He recently did a video of his 6 income streams at 16, which is insane to have 6 income streams at 16 years old. So if you enjoyed this video, you will for sure enjoy his too. So I will leave the link to that video in the description, so go check that out after you watch this one. Now, I've been working on these 7 income streams for a while now. I've always wanted to basically be financially independent and be my own boss and not have to work 9 to 5 the rest of my life. So if you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos like this, definitely smash that like and subscribe down below. I would highly appreciate it. So number 1 on the list is my rental property. So 7 months ago, when I was 19 years old, I bought my first rental property. Now this rental property is a long-term rental, so the people renting there right now will probably live there for multiple years, so this is really passive. Now this property generates $100 in cash flow per month, which may not sound too much, and don't get me wrong, that isn't really too much either. But in addition to that, I pay down $500 on my mortgage each month. That's not including the interest rates. So that's essentially just paying myself because I'm just paying down the house. And in addition to that, you also have price increases in the real estate market, and I bought this property at a really good time. I also was able to get it below market value. So just since buying this property 7 months ago, the house has actually increased in value by $25,000. So that is obviously amazing. So if you add all of those up, that becomes a decent amount. And my goal is also to buy another rental property this year or early next year. Now my second income source is YouTube AdSense. So for the previous 3 months, I have made $500 from YouTube AdSense. This makes up approximately $166 each month. So my third income source is sponsors. Now these are people sponsoring my YouTube videos, and in the past 3 months, I have made approximately $2,400 from sponsors. Now this makes up $800 per month for the previous 3 months at least. And if you add that to my YouTube AdSense money, from YouTube in general, I make almost $1,000 per month. Now, number 4 on the list, we have cryptocurrency. So I do invest quite heavily into cryptocurrency. If you are subscribed to the channel already, you probably know this because I have been making a lot of crypto content recently. Now, obviously the crypto market is in a really bad spot right now, but I'm still in profit. And just still being in profit while the market is crashing, that's super good. So when the market is actually recovering, I will just be making more profit, I guess. And during each crash, I'm also buying the dip just to make bigger gains when the market actually recovers. In addition to this, I'm also staking many of my cryptocurrencies. This is basically just a way to earn additional cryptos. Now, the 5th income source on this list is the stock market. I do invest a little bit in stocks. Don't get me wrong, right now the majority of my portfolio is in crypto. Now, in the stock market, I'm basically 20% single stocks and 80% index funds. Index funds are basically the way to go if you don't really know anything about stocks or crypto or real estate. You just want to invest your money, don't have to worry about it for the next 10 or 20 years. Then index funds are basically the way to go. Now, number 6 is my normal job, because I do have a normal 9 to 5 job currently. My goal is obviously to be able to quit it and basically earn enough passive income and income from my side hustles to be my own boss one day. But as of right now, I have to have a 9 to 5 job, and this pays me approximately $4,700 per month. Now, the last income source on this list are affiliates. Now, I do plug some affiliate links sometimes in my videos. I recently got into Weeble's content creator program, where I basically get paid for referring people to Weeble. I have actually not made any money from Weeble yet. Now, there will be a link to Weeble down in the description though, so if you want a free stock, definitely check that out. But the affiliate link that I currently have made some money from is Torum. Now, Torum is a new social media platform built for cryptocurrency enthusiasts and cryptocurrency content. And from my referral link, I have made 8,000 XTMs, which is Torum's own cryptocurrency. I will also leave a link to this down in the description, so if you want some free XTM tokens, definitely check that out. Now, the thing is, Torm's cryptocurrency XTM isn't even live yet. They will actually IDO in just a couple of weeks now, I believe, and their launch price is $0.08, which means my cryptocurrency right now that I have earned from these affiliate links are worth $640. But you have to remember that this is the IDO price, and I really believe in this project. They also have an NFT platform coming this year, as well as Torm Finance, where you have staking and yield farming. So I really believe that Torm could reach a price of $0.4 or $0.5 in 2021. Now, if it were to reach, say, $0.5, these tokens that I have earned from referrals will be worth $4,000. This is obviously just speculation, but for right now, it's worth just over $600. So there you go, those were my 7 income sources as of right now. I'm always working on making more income sources. Now, if you have or know any other great income sources or side hustles, definitely tell me down in the comment section and I will probably try them out. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like and subscribe down below for more finance content. And also, as I said in the start of the video, check out C-Rich's video of his 6 income streams at 16 years old. And I will see you guys later. Peace.